Imagine this. Beneath the ocean floor lie metals worth trillions of dollars, enough nickel, cobalt, and rare earth elements to power electric vehicles, smartphones, and renewable energy grids for generations. Yet extracting them could wipe out ecosystems that took millions of years to form, and we barely even discovered what lives there. It's the ultimate modern paradox, a solution for a greener planet hidden in one of Earth's most fragile frontiers. This is the story of deep ocean mining, the trillion-dollar race for riches at the bottom of the sea. What exactly is deep ocean mining? Deep ocean mining targets mineral resources found thousands of meters below the surface. Unlike traditional mines carved into mountains or jungles, this new frontier is submerged under extreme pressure, near freezing water, and total darkness. There are three main treasures attracting global attention: polymetallic nodules, potato-shaped lumps, scattered across abyssal plains, rich in cobalt, nickel, manganese, and copper. Seafloor massive sulfides deposits clustered around hydrothermal vents, brimming with copper, zinc, gold, and silver. Cobalt-rich crusts, solid mineral layers coating undersea mountains, containing cobalt, platinum, and rare earth metals. These resources form the backbone of clean technology. From electric cars to smartphones, the green revolution depends on the very metals buried miles under the waves. The trillion-dollar prize. The sheer scale of these resources is mind-blowing. Scientists estimate the oceans could hold trillions of dollars worth of key minerals. The Clarion-Clipperton Zone in the Pacific alone may contain 5 times more cobalt than all known land reserves. Rare earth elements crucial to EV motors, wind turbines, and modern electronics are found here in concentrations higher than most mines on land. For mining companies and governments, the seafloor looks less like a mystery and more like a jackpot. The question isn't just how to unlock it's who will claim it first. The players in the race. The competition already resembles a geopolitical sprint. China has aggressively secured exploration contracts, determined to dominate this emerging supply chain. Japan and South Korea are investing heavily in robotic technology to harvest seabed minerals. Canada and several European nations back private companies aiming to be early movers. The International Seabed Authority (ESA), under the United Nations framework, regulates exploration in international waters and has issued dozens of permits. It's a global drama reminiscent of the space race, except this time, the horizon isn't stars, but the silent abyss below. The tech challenge: robots in the abyss. Mining at depths of 4 to 6 miles is an engineering nightmare. At those pressures, the ocean could crush a human instantly. The solution: robotic miners, huge, tank-like machines designed to crawl along the seafloor, scooping up nodules or drilling into hard crust. These robots connect to surface ships with riser pipes, pumping minerals upward like a mechanized straw. Technologically, it's astonishing. Ecologically, it's unnerving. When a robot bulldozer prowls across a seabed ecosystem that's taken millennia to form, the footprints may never fade. Environmental gamble. Here lies the shadow side of the riches. Scientists warn that mining the deep could unleash damage we don't yet fully understand. Habitat destruction. Hydrothermal vents in abyssal plains house unique lifeforms some found nowhere else on Earth. Bulldozing them could erase species before we even discover them. Sediment plumes. Mining stirs up vast clouds of silt, which could drift for miles, smothering sea life and disrupting food chains. Carbon disruption. Sediments play a role in global carbon storage. Disturbing them may worsen climate change. Unrecoverable timelines. Unlike forests or coral reefs, ecosystems in the deep may take centuries or millennia to recover, if at all. In short, deep ocean mining risks turning one of Earth's last untouched ecosystems into a cautionary tale of greed. Supporters versus critics. Supporters argue that we urgently need these metals to build renewable energy systems and accelerate a green transition. Land mining devastates rainforests, rivers, and communities. The deep ocean may ultimately cause less surface destruction. Under the Common Heritage of Mankind framework, ocean resources could, in theory, benefit all nations. Critics counter that. Alternatives: exist better recycling systems, and innovations in battery technology could reduce the need to mine untouched frontiers. Environmental risks massively outweigh short-term gain. Power dynamics mean global benefit may in reality lean heavily toward corporations, not citizens of poorer nations. The debate is not just scientific, it cuts to global ethics and economics. The clock is ticking. In 2021, the island nation of Nauru triggered what's known as the 2-year rule, forcing the ISA to finalize mining rules. If they fail, companies could proceed under provisional conditions. Translation: within this decade, the first commercial deep-sea mines could begin. The race is no longer hypothetical, it's real, it's imminent, and it carries trillion-dollar stakes. The unknown future, the future of deep ocean mining, could go two ways. A revolution in resource supply, powering renewable technologies that we desperately need to fight climate change, a new environmental disaster, damaging Earth's last untouched wilderness before humanity truly understands what we're losing. The deeper question is not, can we mine the deep, but should we? Conclusion: dive deeper. The trillion-dollar prize beneath the waves is both dazzling and dangerous. It could mark humanity's boldest leap forward or its most reckless plunge into the unknown. Whether deep ocean mining leads us into a sustainable future or unleashes a modern Pandora's box, one thing is certain: the ocean's hidden riches won't stay hidden forever. And if following humanity's most dangerous treasure hunts excites you as much as it unsettles you, then don't just float at the surface. Dive deeper with us like the thought. Drop a comment with your questions, and subscribe to this journey into Earth's hidden riches.